Today I am going to have a recipe that's totally delicious and yet low carb, and that is the key lime pie. 4 carbs, 8 servings. So here are the ingredients. 1 cup sour cream. I use the Daisy because it's all natural. Gotta watch those ingredients for added carbs and sugars. 1 cup full fat cream cheese. I just use the whole, the rectangular square. I think it's 8 ounces. 1/2 cup stevia, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 envelope Knox gelatin. That's the clear Jello, not the Jello that comes in the different flavors. Okay, and then we got 1/2 cup lime juice. If you want to use real limes like I did and squeeze them out, you'll get a better taste. It'll be really sour though. 1 cup pecan meal or almond meal. I use almond meal. 1/4 stick of real butter melted, 1 egg white, and this is the filling part, 1/4. I mean the crust. Starting with the pecan meal, butter, egg white, and stevia. You mix that for the crust. And I'm going to take my reading now. I have, so before 100, 1 hour, 110. So it's 101. Okay. There it is. I always try to be down to 100. So this is fine. I'm happy with that. Let me just show you how scrumptious this is. All right, I get it in the picture here. Look at that, doesn't that look yummy? The only problem I have is with cream cheese and heavy whipping cream is the portions. I found, not because of the carbs, but because of the calories, I was gaining weight because I was eating like cream cheese every morning. So I'm one of these people that has to watch out so I don't gain weight. So I did lose 20 pounds being on this low carb diet, but certain ingredients my body tends to store as fat. So, but there are other things that are a lot lower in calorie, like green veggies. So I've been trying to add more of those to my diet. So, anyways, try this recipe, you'll love it. Here again is our Facebook group. If you would like to join, we also have a recipe group for additional recipes. But I also have a blog with recipes, so I will post the blog in the comments again, and just click on there and it'll take you to the key lime pie, and you can just click on print and it will print it out for you. Again, I know that some people use the regular Jello, the lime Jello, sugar-free, but it does that does have some non-compliant ingredients and other artificial things in it. So I just use the real lime juice with the unsweetened Knox gelatin. Alright, hope this was helpful. Get back to you. I'm not sure what I'm making next time, but I'll scan my recipes and get back to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.